You wanna be on top.
Welcome to Mr. Bein's next top model. First winner, Jennifer. Chosen by old model Kenya.
My name is Kenya Maldonado. I was one of Mr. Bein's top model in 2013. So I like this model because I like how she or he, I don't know who he is, use like the different colors to distinguish or identify the different parts of the DNA, like the phosphate groups, the nitrogenous bases, the hydrogen bond. But I like how he shows the helicaps breaking up the weak hydrogen bonds to make a replication of the DNA.
Next top model, Esmeralda. Chosen by Andres.
Hi, I'm Andres. I was a top model for Mr. Bein last year, and I want to get into this real quickly. This is the one I chose. It was one of my personal favorites because I like how she did a great job of showing the segment of DNA for green eyes, and she color-coded it accordingly. And then I like how it clearly shows that you zoomed in, and once you have zoomed in, you can see the nitrogenous bases given the specific atoms that they contain and the partial charges they have that go with each other, and you can see the hydrogen bonds shown here. And you can this really makes sense. So if I were a student and I didn't know what a DNA looked like, I could easily look at this and distinguish this and get an idea of how it worked.
Next top models, Karen and Gabby. Chosen by all-time top model Trisha.
I'm Trisha Cheever, and I'm Mr. Bein's all-time top model. I chose this big structure because everything's really clear because of its size, and for example, these are shaped like a pentagon, like the deoxyribose carbohydrates, and just like the hydrogen bonds are really clear and stuff, and go big or go home. Yeah.
Next top models, Anthony and Sophia. Selected by Jackie.
My name's Jacqueline Dion. I was one of Mr. Bein's top models. I chose this one because it's very clear and accurate. You can see the white beads represent the hydrogen bonds, and the different color pipe cleaners are the different nitrogenous bases. On the backbone here, you can see that the deoxyribose sugar is shaped as a pentagon, and then the phosphate group is a circle, which is also accurate.
The last models of 2015 are Nathan and Aurelis. Selected by guest host Mr. Linneman, aka Mr. Science.
I chose Aurelis and Nathan's model because I like the clever use of styrene foam. I like the solid metal bar. The only problem I noticed was the lack of hydrogen bond labeling, but the phosphate groups and deoxyribose sugars were very cleverly modeled. I think Drs. Watson and Cook would be very proud, and Rosalind Franklin would be proud too if she wasn't busy dying of cancer.
Thank you for joining us for 2015 Mr. Bein's Next Top Model. See you again next year.